Shwmae pawb, Miss Crockett ydw I, a dyma Cosmo! Bore da, shwmae pawb edw? Gred, da Llywyd. Rydyn ni'n mynd I edrych ar y tywydd. Oh yes! Shwmae tywydd heddiw, Cosmo? Dwi wedi drysu. I'm confused. I don't know what that means. Oh, it's okay. So my tywydd heddiw means, what's the weather like today? Okay? Okay. Have a go at saying it at home, boys and girls, bechgyn a mecys. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Summa tywydd heddiw! Da iawn, pawb! Can I have a go? Of course you can. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Summa tywydd heddiw! Da iawn, Cosmo! A tywydd, the weather. There are lots of types of weather, you know. My favourite is the snow at Ira. A ti? My favourite is sunny, hilog and hot, boys. A ti? Bendigedig pawb. Dwi'n hoffi tywydd, boeth acos dwi'n hoffi nofio yn y môr. Oh, lovely. So you love the hot weather because you like to swim in the sea. Let's look at other types of weather together, shall we? Yes. Mae hi'n hilog. Mae hi'n gymylog. Mae hi'n oer. Mae hi'n braf. Mae hi'n wyntog. Mae hi'n bwrw aira. Mae hi'n bwrw glaw. Mae hi'n stormus. Mae hi'n boeth. Mae hi'n niwlog. Well done, pawb. Fantastic.
Sit my towel, have you? Sit my towel, have you? Sit my towel, have you? Mae hi'n hilog, 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 hilog. Sit my towel, have you? Sit my towel, have you? Sit my towel, have you? Mae hi'n wyntog, 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 wyntog. Sit my towel, have you? Sit my towel, have you? Sit my towel, have you? Mae hi'n